Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Antonella, and I decided to record this video to tell the truth about Ikaria Juice. Does Ikaria Juice really work for everyone? Why has Ikaria Juice worked for some people and not for others? Wasn't it supposed to work for everyone? After all, Ikaria Juice is a phenomenon in the market and is currently making a huge impact. So stay tuned until the end of this video because I have some truths to share with you. You see, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a powerful new formula that makes weight loss easier, faster, and much more enjoyable. It's different from all other existing solutions because it targets the newly discovered root cause of stubborn body fat and unexplained fatigue. It's now proven to be linked to harmful ceramides that force fat cells to stick to your body. Thanks to the rare and powerful nutrients in Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, you can help support your body in the fight against these compounds and accelerate fat loss, boost your energy, and look and feel younger. But why does Ikaria Juice work for some people and not for others? Wasn't it supposed to work and have the same results for everyone? The answer is straightforward. Due to the massive success of Ikaria Juice in the market, counterfeiting and piracy have become widespread. So, you need to be very cautious when purchasing Ikaria Juice. If you genuinely want fat loss, increased energy, and a younger feeling, you should only buy official products. These not only provide you with excellent results but also won't harm your health. So, to help you with this, I managed to get the official product website, and I've left the link down below in the description. This is the real Ikaria Juice that can change your life. What's even better is that Ikaria Juice has a formula that's free from side effects, made from ingredients that won't cause any adverse reactions to weight loss. Just mix a spoonful of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice in a glass of water or your favorite beverage every morning and enjoy. Then, sit back and relax while your body is infused with powerful nutrients that assist in fat loss, increased energy, mental clarity, and an overall feeling of youthfulness. The recommended kit is either 3 or 6 bottles, following the recommendations, and you'll receive bonuses and free shipping. Another detail that excited me quite a bit was that the manufacturers have confidence in the product. If I don't like the product, they'll refund my money, and I have 180 days to have 100% of my money back if I'm not satisfied with the product. Think about it, they wouldn't do this if the product wasn't good. So, a word of caution to all of you. Beware of counterfeit products. After all, you're going to ingest these products, so buy the original. Visit the official website in the description and take a look at the site and see the testimonials from those who have already used Ikaria Juice. I genuinely hope you can achieve your goals like I did. Until the next video.